Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to open my brand new Glossybox. This is the February 2025 box and I have not yet opened it. So yeah, I figured we'd do it together. Also, Mary is downstairs watching Beauty and the Beast, so if I suddenly run off because we're hearing weird noises, then you know why. Also, I will keep this video nice and short for that exact same reason. Let's open her up. Here is a sneak peek. Let's look at what's inside. Okay, I think I'm going to save best till last, but everything else I think is really good as well. So let's start with the first item. So the first thing that we have is a travel size bottle of Bubble Tea Cosmetics body spray. This is Vanilla Muse, and let's give it a sniff. It's actually really nice. It's quite vanilla-y and almondy. I quite like it. I'm not normally a vanilla kind of girl, but this is quite fun. Yeah, it's kind of got this really nice almondy note, which I like. It's like vanilla, almond, and a little bit florally, maybe like a peony. It smells quite pink, but also almondy and vanilla-y. I like it. I'm into it. That's the first item. And then we have some Paradox hair care, which I always really love. So this is a 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask and finishing cream. If you've never tried their hair care, it's honestly really, really good. And this is a nice generous size tube, which is probably enough for, I don't know, quite a few applications, maybe like 5. And Paradox are a pretty high-end hair care brand as well. So that is amazing. Next up, we've got this from Brushworks. There we go, now it's in focus. It is a wave claw clip. A wave claw clip. I can't say that. So yeah, shall I put it in my hair? Shall I see what it's like? This is the design. It's quite fun. I've just realised I've put it in my hair, but you're literally not going to be able to see it. So yeah, all I can tell you is it works and it's comfortable. So there we go. But yeah, that's a pretty good item as far as I'm concerned. Next up, I have no idea how to pronounce this brand, but it's ooac and it's a Glow Glamour Cream Liner. That's so funny. I assumed it would be an eyeliner, but it's actually a lip liner. And I've just swatched it so you can see, but it's a really nice kind of neutral pinky red colour, which I think will go with loads. And it is a pencil style applicator, which you just twist to get more of. So you don't need a sharpener either, which I'm always into. But that's a really good shade. I think that's great for everybody. Okay, and then the final item, which I think is the best thing. This is the YouTuber, Mitchell. And he has a beauty brand, which is called Made by Mitchell. And his blushes are pretty famous. Now, I have heard there's 3 blushes to choose from, but I got this one, but you might get different ones. I don't know. This one is shade Shady Business. Colour-wise, I think it is a little bit too brown toned for me, but I'll probably use it for like contour. But his stuff is really, really good. Please don't be put off by YouTuber brands because a lot of them are actually really, really great. And I really like this brand. And I think this is worth around £15, so it's a pretty good item to get. So that is my Glossybox in its entirety. I think it's an amazing box this month. I'm really, really pleased with the contents. There is nothing that will go to waste. This blusher I will use as more as contour. The lip liner is definitely a shade I'll use. I actually really love the Bubble Tea Cosmetics Vanilla Muse. I think that's lovely. Paradox hair care is always a winner for me. And the claw clip will be very handy if I can pronounce claw clip. Claw clip? I think I've got it. There it is. Anyway, I think it's an amazing box this month. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.